Hello everyone. My name is Juan Camargo Reyes. I am a clinical psychologist specialized in childhood, adolescence, and family. And today I'm going to explain you the functional analysis structure. Let's go! So, this is the functional analysis structure. Functional analysis structure begins with the antecedent stimulation, and the antecedent stimulation has three important parts for all the functional analysis. First, context. Second, external events. And finally, internal events. Context. Where did the events occur? Just one place for one functional analysis. For example, house, bathroom, bedroom, school, classroom, college. Okay, just one place for all the functional analysis. The second part is external events. What situation happened in this place? For example, discussions, quarrels, fights, contact with objects, contact with a chemical substance, contact with other people, are the situation that happen in the context. Finally, internal events. For example, mental diagnosis, physical diagnosis, rule-governed behavior in function of playing, striking, or augmenting. Okay? And the second part of the functional analysis structure is about the stimulus and response relationship. Stimulus and response relationship has two important parts. First one, discriminated relationship, and second one, conditional relationship. In the discriminative relationship, the patient has knowledge of his actions, has knowledge about the consequence of his actions, and the conditional relationship is the case of a patient that hasn't knowledge of his actions, hasn't knowledge of his consequence. Antecedent stimulation has a relationship with the patient response. In the response, we can learn three kinds of response. Physiological response. What did you feel in your body at the time these events occurred? Cognitive response. What thoughts and emotions did you experience at the time these events occur? And finally, motor response. What did you do at the times the events occur? Physiological response are associated with increase or change in the patient body. For example, increased heart rate, increased respiratory rate, blushing, or adrenaline surge. Strokes, for example, my life doesn't make sense. I was afraid at that time. I'm disgusting. I'm the best. I thought I was going to die. And emotions, for example, I felt happy, I feel sad, I feel angry, I feel disgusted, I feel embarrassed. In the motor response, we must to write the actions in the functional analysis. Run, skip, shout, verbalize, hit, play, eat, drink, land, and please use the frequency in this part. For example, run 3 times, skip 4 times, verbalize 2 times, hit 8 times, play 7 times, eat 8 times, drink 4 times, or land 2 times. Frequency is a very important unit of measurement to determine if behavior is increased or decreased. If the target behavior increases at baseline, in intervention phase, it should decrease. And this is the information that you must to enter before completing the response, and consequence relationship in the rest of the functional analysis structure.